Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Java JDK from your Windows 11, or you can do it for other Windows version as well. So let's get started. First of all, let me see if it is available on your laptop or not. For that, search command cmd and search for Java version. Here you can see we have a Java version of 23, so we have to uninstall it. So to uninstall it, just search control panel and under the program section, uninstall a program, click on that, and here you can see the Java. So just right click or double click on that and click on uninstall, click on yes. So it's uninstalled from your laptop. So let's search it again. You can just click the up arrow. See, your Java has been uninstalled from your laptop. Thank you so much.